Barclay, the ICC chair. Dr. Kishore Shallow, Cricket West Indies president and ICC director. Mr. Jay Shah, BCCI Honorary General Secretary and ICC Director, and Lawson Naidu, Cricket South Africa Chair and ICC Director. To commence our final post-match presentation, we are honored to welcome one of Barbados and West Indies' finest modern players, former T20 World Cup champion Carlos Brathwaite, to place the ICC Men's T20 World Cup 2024 trophy on the presentation podium. No one will forget what Carlos did back in 2016 in ushering the West Indies to a second title. Thank you very much, Carlos. Forward, and he will lead the on-field umpires Chris Gaffney and Richard Illingworth, who will also be accompanied by the television umpire for today, Richard Kettlebrook, and the fourth umpire, Rod Tucker. Thank you very much to the officials without whom this would not have been possible. Line today on the big stage. Congratulations to South Africa. You have been fabulous. I'd now like to invite the South African team to come up to collect their runners-up medals from Lawson Naidu, Chair Cricket South Africa. 114, Reza Hendricks, Marco Jansen, Heinrich Klaassen, Keshav Maharaj, David Miller, the impressive fast bowler Henrik Nokia and his colleague Kagiso Rabada, Ryan Rickleton, Tabré Shamsi, Tristan Stutz, and last but not by any means least, South Africa's captain, impressive captain who's led so magnificently throughout this tournament, Aiden Markram. Great appreciation for South Africa and the way they've acquitted themselves in this tournament. We will surely see a lot more of South Africa in the knockout and final stages in years to come. And now if Aiden Markram can make his way over. In medals from Jay Shah, the BCCI Honorary Secretary General and ICC Director. They will be led by Jasprit Bumrah, Yasvindra Chahal, Shivam Dubey, Ravindra Jadeja, Yashasvi Jaiswal, the impressive and great Virat Kohli, Hardik Pandya, Rishabh Pant, Akshar Patel, Sanju Samson, Arshdeep Singh was bowled splendidly all tournament, Mohammad Siraj, Kuldeep Yadav, Surya Kumar Yadav, and bringing up the back end there is their captain, their leader, Rohit Sharma. Great performance throughout the tournament. India unbeaten. And one would have to say the way that they've marched through by some distance, a well-balanced, the most well-balanced, finely groomed and well-led team. The only team to go undefeated in winning a T20 World Cup in the history of the tournament. Round of applause one more time for Rohit Sharma and his men. And now Rohit would make his way Rohit, congratulations, and I just press you back just a little bit so they get a good shot of you and none of me. How will you sum up this moment, given all the planning, given all, I suppose, the times that you didn't quite cross the line as you would have wanted to? Sum up this for the nation and for the global society.
Very hard to sum up what we've been through for the last 3 or 4 years. To be honest, we worked really hard as individuals and as a team. A lot has gone behind the scenes for us to be here today and winning this game. It's not what we did today, it's what we've been doing for the last 3-4 years. That's the result that has come for us today. We played a lot of high pressure game in the past as well, and we've been on the wrong side of it as well. So guys do understand, when the pressure is on, what needs to be done. And today was the perfect example of when the back is against the wall, what is required. We stuck together as a team, all of us, even though, at one point it was looking South Africa's way, but I thought, overall as a team, to win this. But I know to win a tournament like this, a lot goes behind the scenes, a lot of efforts, a lot of mind needs to come together. And I'm very, very proud of the bunch of boys that I have and the management as well. All the way through New York to Barbados, I just want to salute them, to come and support us the way they have, and also back home.
Congratulations to India, led by Rohit Sharma, ICC Men's T20 Cricket World Cup Champions 2024.
क्या बात है, क्या बात है. There they are, ladies and gentlemen, your champions, 2024 T20 World Champions, India. क्या बात है, क्या बात है. 2007 में आखिरी बार जीता था. 2007 में शुरुआत हुई थी T20 विश्व कप की, और उसके बाद 2014 में आप फाइनल पहुंचे थे, लेकिन उसके बाद कभी इतने पास नहीं आए थे. एक ऐसे मुकाबले में इसको वहां लेके जा रहा.
To all the Malayali people who are watching, 1983, so it was 2007, 2011, another Malayali, and 2024, and 2024, 36.
क्या बात है. ये देखो, ये बहुत ज्यादा दिखता नहीं है. That is the goal that seen right by
Rahul bhai,
वर्ल्ड कप विनर है भाई राहुल. ब्रिलियंट. आप राहुल हमें बिल्कुल बिल्कुल आप कहीं पे बैठ के आप उसको स्क्रीन पे देख रहे हो, आप मोबाइल पे देख रहे हो, ये ना एक खुशी का माहौल है. ये माहौल है जो मतलब दोस्त एक साथ आ रहे हैं, जो दोस्त नहीं है वो भी एक साथ मिल रहे हैं. ये मूवमेंट इतना बड़ा
जीतना बहुत बड़ी बात है भाई. ये this is what it is. This is where it matters the most. Unbelievable. इससे कुछ नहीं होता.
इसने 8 साल के बच्चे, 10 साल के बच्चे जिनका नया फेवरेट क्रिकेटर पैदा हुआ है. In this like this, you suddenly like कल मैं जाके एक्स्ट्रा प्रैक्टिस करूँगा. इसका पोस्टर
एक और चीज है जो पूरी टीम मैनेजमेंट है, बीसीसी से लेके सारे सिलेक्टर से लेके सपोर्ट स्टाफ से लेके सबको या बिग सलूट है, मतलब एक जो लम्हे हैं, जो मेमोरीज वी से adding value to other people's lives, they just added value to the entire world. मतलब पूरा अनबिलीवेबल है, सुपर।
एक्चुअली मतलब ये कहावत है ना, कोई अकेले ऊपर नहीं चढ़ता। वो एक पुरानी मतलब ये गलत सोच है, ये हम टीवी में बोलते हैं अकेले, ऐसा हो ही नहीं सकता। आपको ऊपर चढ़ना है तो आपको एक दूसरे का सहारा होना बहुत ज्यादा जरूरी है। एट व्हाटएवर लेवल इट माइट बी, एट व्हाटएवर केस इट माइट बी, किसी ना किसी का कहीं ना कहीं आपके ऊपर असर पड़ता है, जिससे आप ऊपर चढ़ते हो। तभी अकेले कोई नहीं कभी पड़ता, टीम चढ़ती है तो एकजुट होकर चढ़ती है। और वो टीम में देखिए वेस्ट इंडीज में
क्वेश्चन थे इस टीम के बारे में पहले, वो सिर्फ ओल्ड टीम जो भेज रहे हैं, यंग प्लेयर्स को नहीं भेज रहे हैं, इतने स्पिनर्स क्यों ले जा रहे हैं हम, लेकिन
एकजुटता देखिए यार, एकजुट